Sat Sri Akal dosto, welcome to Punjab Youth in Action. In this video we will learn name of body parts in Punjabi. So we should start now. Hand, हथ, अंदर ही आया तू. Hand, हथ, hair, बाल, forehead, मत्था, eyes, अखां, ear, ਕੰਨ, nose, ਨੱਕ, lips, ਬੁੱਲ, teeth, ਦੰਦ, chin, ਠੋਡੀ, cheeks, ਗੱਲਾਂ, face, ਮੂੰਹ, neck, ਗਰਦਨ, shoulder, ਮੋਢੇ, chest, ਛਾਤੀ, elbow, ਕੂਣੀ, wrist, ਗੁੱਟ, fingers, ਉਂਗਲਾਂ, hand, ਹੱਥ, thumb, ਅੰਗੂਠਾ, belly, ਢਿੱਡ, back, ਢੂਹੀ, waist, ਲੱਕ, ਪੱਟ, thighs, knees, ਗੋਡੇ, foot, ਪੈਰ, and leg is called ਲੱਤ. So that's all for today. Hope you enjoy the video. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and like, share, subscribe. Till then, see you and stay tuned for more videos. Sat Sri Akal.
Bye.
Bye bye. Sat Sri Akal ਵੀਰੋ.